Greetings and salutations, Doughboy Nation. Johnny Allen Supercar Kid back at you with the 5 Series. And what are we doing today? Several things, really. But one big thing in general, overhauling the exhaust, putting headers on the car, and getting it to sound nice, finally, for once. So we're going to do a secondary air pump delete. We're going to take off these exhaust shields. I got to take off the valve cover because I, once again, didn't seal it exactly right. So we're going to take it off, reseal it again, make sure everything's right this time. Doesn't leak and smoke this time. This time, while we're doing all that, we're going to change these headers. Ignore the Brembo brakes for right now. Bing, boys. So what we've done is I've actually acquired a set of E36 equal length headers. So what I do is I had them weld a V-band onto this side, and then we're gonna have them connect from a V-band to the rest of the exhaust, and then hopefully have a nice, quiet, but nice, smooth sound. Alrighty guys, taking off the little covers, taking off the whole valve cover. I'm just gonna skip to where this is off, and valve cover off. I had a little bit of a mishap. I dropped some washers and one of them fell into the engine. So I was like looking everywhere for it, like, frantically trying to find it. And eventually I found it, thankfully. Yeah, that was a bit scary. So now I'm trying to rip off these exhaust shields so we can get access to the exhaust bolts. But I think real quick, to give myself a little bit more space, let's do a secondary air pump delete. I believe that's just 2 10 mils. Just like that. Secondary air pump delete. Oh, it's still connected down there. Well, I'll take this off up here. I thought it was broken. Then we have a delete kit from ECS Tuning. Don't bother with the eBay shit. It costs the same. Cool. Alright, y'all. I got one exhaust shield out over here. This one's right on the verge. It's right about to come out.
How's it going in there?
Going pretty good.
What are you redoing?
I'm gonna try to remove the headers.
Okay. How long is that gonna take?
Don't know.
Should you go to the store first?
I'm gonna go to the store.
No, I'm just saying because it looks like headers. I mean, you're taking off.
I mean, I'm not.
Oh my gosh!
I'm not saying I'm gonna finish the whole job and
No.
go to the store. I'm just saying I'm gonna go to the store. Eventually.
Where's the header there?
It's this whole thing.
What?
This whole thing. Is the headers.
I mean, not the pipes.
Yes.
How you gonna get that out, Jonathan?
By taking off the bolts and pulling it out.
Oh gosh. What about this part?
No, stop doing that. What are you doing?
I'm just saying.
This is.
Sorry.
No, sorry.
No,
This is under the valve cover.
Okay.
This is the head. You just tapped. Thank God this has a plastic cover because you just tapped on my intake cam. All right. If you dinged the metal,
I'm meant to.
it's okay.
Hard.
Okay. All right. Sure. All right.
Sorry.
Okay. Got you. You're vulgar. You're gonna get me demonetized if I was monetized. Alrighty, fellers. I put a bunch of PB Blaster, liquid wrench, on the exhaust bolts. So now it's time. We're gonna go in there and try and take them out. I am very fearful of them stripping and just being completely gone and rusting. And we're gonna see how this goes. It's gonna be a long process. I'm not gonna film it all, but wish me luck. Pray for me. Hopefully in the next clip you find me with a handful of fully unbroken exhaust studs. All right, one manifold's like, I think just about to come out. Just about to come out. Oh yeah, she's crowning, bud. There we go, baby. That's one E39 catalytic converter header out of here. Absolutely dynamite. I need to move my head. My head's not where. My head's not where it should be. Okay. We're good. We're good. All right. fellers and fellas. We got him. We got him. Damn. We got him. We got him. Oh, man, I am done for tonight. I'm gonna come back and we'll try to put the new headers in. Shoo, dude. Woo. God, that was fun. I'm kidding. That was not at all fun. I am a masochist, but not that bad. All right, you guys. It's the next morning. The cats are out the wag. All right, there they are. $400. Yeah, so I gotta take the primary O2s off of there. I'm gonna leave the secondaries on. Those don't really matter. I'm gonna be deleting those in a tune pretty soon. Didn't mean to make that rhyme, but never mind. Okay. Now it's time for the new headers to go on. Plenty of room, plenty of space to do it. But I found out something interesting. I had heard that M52s and M52 TUs did not have all the bolt holes drilled out in the head, and that there were a couple that were missing, and that you have an eternal exhaust leak because of that. Apparently, didn't really know this. This one has all of the bolt holes. Yeah, you guys can't really see it too well, but this one has all of them. All ports have 4 bolt holes tapped and threaded in it. So that has me wondering, is this like a M54 head? I don't know. Or did the M52 TUs after a certain year get all the bolt holes drilled out, but they didn't use them all for the stock manifold? So I don't have enough bolts for all the holes now. It's a little weird, right? I don't know about that. So here's the new headers ready to go in. But I'm going to interrupt this program with a brief skate session. If you don't want to watch the skate session, just skip to right here, just skip to there, and then just don't worry about it. But otherwise, stay for the skate session. Alright, y'all, first reviews. This place ain't too bad. It's a little bowl. Got a little pump track too. Did a little grind on that one. That was dope. I wanted to get more clips, but I'm tired. Let's go back home. How about this? Tray flip on flat. Tray flip on flat just for you guys. Take it home. Hey. Let's get out of here, guys. Let's go home. Yo, guys. Back at the house again. Skate sesh went very well. I did fall a good number of times, but I'm not that hurt, so we're good. Now we're gonna get started on the headers. So I have here the headers, and I have here the bolts. Now, like I told you guys, I have bolts holes threaded on the head for every bolt hole on there. I didn't expect to have that, but I do. So each one of these headers here is missing 4. That means I need 8 more studs. I might also just do bolts too, like exhaust bolts in those few areas, because the bolts are really easy to put on. I should probably replace all of these, but I'll do that eventually, maybe one day, some point soon. Here, I don't know. All right, guys, before we can put these headers in, we need our O2 sensors back. As far as I know, these are good. Should I probably put new ones in right now? Yeah. Do I have them and am I going to? No. So I'm just gonna take these off. You join me underneath the car. Here's the header. We're gonna put it in from the bottom. I got a few bolts here. There's one inside of it. I'm starting with the bolt hole that is the hardest to thread in, so that when I'm putting it in, I can just thread that bolt in with the manifold basically out, like off. Let's get it on. So we gotta get the gasket on there. Make it stick, right? So I have here high temp gasket maker. Ah, gee, there goes the mosquito. I have here high temp gasket maker. We're gonna use this to stick our gasket to the engine. Yo guys, it is the next day, July 4th actually. Actually no, probably the 2 days since I last updated you guys. I don't even know. But guess what? We got both headers on, baby. It was a bitch, but you know what? It's done. I mean, well, no, it's not entirely done. So not all the bolts are tight. I had to go back and buy more bolts because I didn't realize this, but I had all the, I already talked about this. I had all the bolt holes. Not supposed to have all the bolt holes and all the, yeah, okay. So now I'm working on the engine mount arm. So the engine mount arm is a little, whoop. Did y'all see that catch? Did y'all see that catch? I don't know if y'all saw that catch. So the engine mount arm is a little iffy. I think it fits. So the E36 engine mount arm is in a different location than this one, and that seems to be, might be causing a problem. You might be hitting it with the grinder a little bit. You might be notching it a little bit. I don't want to have to make a whole custom one. I know how I could, but I don't want to. So like the back end is too high to put the bolts on, but it doesn't look like the bolts can't go in, if you know what I mean. Like it looks like there's space for the bolts to go in and all that. It's just like, just right there. We're gonna figure this out. All right, guys. Here's the big moment. The one I've personally been waiting for. Oh, I can't lock my hood. Oh my god, there we go. The one I've personally been waiting for quite some time now. Oh, those O2 sensors are really close to the atmosphere, so I'm definitely not going to do a whole lot of driving on this. I'm trying to not completely foul them. Or just... I think you're okay. I think you're okay. Oh my god. God damn it, man. Got the shit out of you guys. Excited and nervous and excited. I'm giving you guys the outside view for this one. This is gonna be insane, I can already tell. Dog! Oh shit! Oh shit, that sounds good! Oh, that sounds good! Shit, mama, that sounds good! What have I done? Y'all seeing this? Y'all seeing this, right? Y'all hearing this? Y'all seeing and hearing this? Y'all hearing and seeing this? Y'all sensing this? Y'all using the senses for this? I almost let it hit Vanos there for a second. Not yet, not yet. Hold on for Vanos. Hold on for Vanos. so difficult. But we got it done, boys. In one weekend, too. July 1st weekend. July 4th weekend. I got work tomorrow, so this is adieu. Peace out, though, boys. And until the next...
Please, sir. I want some more.
More?
Damn, she sounds nasty.